Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can burn in subtitles to videos using HandBrake. So of course you need your STR or SRT file in order to do this. That's basically the subtitle file that you need for your videos. And so the first thing that you want to do is to just import your video onto HandBrake. Now I'm going to be dragging it inside HandBrake to make things easier. And of course, let's head over to the subtitles category. Now in here, you want to go ahead and look for your subtitles by clicking on the import subtitles button. Look for your SRT file, and from there you could just simply select it and it will be imported right here. Now, the most crucial part on this step is making sure that the burn in checkbox is simply selected. Now, from there, it's as simple as clicking the starting code button and it will initiate the process where it burns in subtitles onto our video. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.